Hey everyone, I'm Ranvini from Whatsflow. As most of you out there who run delivery services, restaurants, software companies, or any other business who wants to level it up to the next level, let's run through a quick demo of Whatsflow, which is quite important for your business growth. Why do you need to switch from WhatsApp Business app to WhatsApp API? Without getting banned, you can send bulk messages through WhatsApp in an official way. You can integrate WhatsApp into your own software system as the communication channel and automate your chats. So, why do you need Whatsflow? As a meta tech provider, you can apply for free WhatsApp API easily through our platform, and also you can use our pre-built features which will help you to boost your sales. You can start work with Whatsflow free forever, but if you need more advanced features, you can upgrade your package. Also, feel free to contact us anytime if you need any custom WhatsApp solutions. Here, you can register with Whatsflow simply by adding your details. This is how Whatsflow dashboard looks like. There are several features you can use which helps you to grow your business through WhatsApp. As you are a new user, first you have to set up the WhatsApp API. By clicking here, you can get a WhatsApp API without any cost. Now, you are redirected to an API sign-up process. Next, here you have to select your Meta Business portfolio. If you don't have one, you can easily create it from here. Then select Create a WhatsApp Business account, enter account name, then in the category, country, website URL, and the business description. Now you have two options. If you choose Use a Display Name Only option, you will be given a virtual number which has been generated from Meta, and you can initiate or receive calls or text messages. You should choose the other option, which is to add a new number. Remember, this shouldn't exist in a personal or business app, but if you want to use an existing number, first remove it from the app and add it up with the country code. You'll be receiving a verification code, and after verifying your number, you can start messaging with your customer through WhatsApp. In order to send messages to customers, you need to have pre-approved templates. Here on the dashboard, under the template management, you can see your templates, pending, rejected, or approved. If you are a new user, this will be displayed as an empty table. So, to create a new one, go to the Create New Template and type out the template name you want. Choose the relevant category. Here we have three categories: marketing, utility, and authentication. We're going to choose utility. And now, choose the language of the template message. Could be English, Hindi, French, to any language you wish. And as the header, again you can choose anything. It could be a text, an image, a video, or a PDF, just as you prefer. Then on the body, you can type out the message that you want to give to the customer. Also, for your reference, here we have the template preview option to the right side of the screen, which displays the preview of the message that customer receives. Just type the message and you can use any emojis to color it up a bit. Now, here we have a very important part, the variables. So let's just say you wish to send personalized message to your clients right with their name, with any amount or with any degree. You can easily do that with the variable option here. It's really easy and you only have to click the variable button. When you add in variables, they display as numbers starting from 1 within brackets. No need for changing the format or the number of the order. If you add variables to the message body or the header, you need to provide an example for each variable. Like here we have put two variables. First one for the customer's name, John, and second one for the order number. Here it says 50. Like this, you can add any variable as you wish. Then we have the footer section. There, just enter the message footer, and here you can see it in the template preview. It has been displayed. Then if you need, you can add a quick reply button, which is way easier to the customer to respond as soon as he or she gets the message. Now, we have this important and amazing feature which you're gonna get with Whatsflow, which is called action buttons. Again, it's letting the customer take action faster and easier, help you to get more leads, and increase the engagement with the customer. It can be anything like a website link, a phone number, or maybe an offer code which needs to be copied. For an example, here you can add a website link, and this is how it's going to be displayed to the customer. Same goes when you add in a phone number or an offer code or anything like that. If everything has been set, finally submit the template. After finishing it all, you will be automatically redirected to here and you can see the current status of your template. Approval time can be depend according to your template category. As for here, usually authentication templates will be approved just in 2 to 3 seconds. Moving on to the contact page, here you can easily manage everything regarding your contacts. Customers who send messages to your API number will be automatically saved and displayed here. If you need to add a new contact, click New and easily fill the necessary details like name, phone number, and here in groups, you can group your contacts. Why grouping? Well, let's just say you are running a campaign, and with this option, you can quickly choose a specific group and easily broadcast your messages. Then you can add any extra attributes or fields with your customer's contact number. By clicking here, you can create and manage your existing groups. Also, you can create fields which shows any extra information about your customer that is useful for you. Fields helps when sending a personalized messages and creating chatbot. By this, you can export your customer's contact details into CSV files. If you already have contact details of your customers in CSV format, you can easily import those contacts all in once instead of inserting them one by one. Campaigns can be used to send marketing messages, offers, and to engage with customers by broadcasting WhatsApp messages. So let's see how to run a campaign from Whatsflow. Select Send New Campaign, type in your campaign name, then select Template. Templates that are approved beforehand will be displayed, and you just have to choose the one you want. Next, select Contact Group. You can create groups from the Contact section. If you are willing to schedule this as a future campaign, or you are planning to do a marketing campaign series, you can schedule it all one by one. Otherwise, send it right away by ticking the option here. After applying, make sure you fill the information for the variables correctly. You can fill in the values either manually or select the fields from the contact list. These will automatically replace variables within the variables. Now, our campaign is ready to launch. Just click Send. On the campaign management dashboard, you can see how many messages have been sent, delivered. Also, you can see how many customers read your message of the campaign. Now you know how to run a campaign through Whatsflow. And you might wonder how many messages can be broadcasted from a single campaign. Meta has set some limitations for that. So, if you are someone who just made the business portfolio, that means if you are an unverified user, you have a 250 messages limit for unique users per day. After verifying, it levels up to 2000 messages per day, then step by step, it auto-scales up to unlimited messages. Auto-scaling method works like this. For example, let's just think your current limit is 2000 messages. If you need to level it up, you need to start high-quality, business-initiated conversations with 1000 unique customers in a rolling 7-day period. Once you meet all the requirements, your limit will automatically be upgraded. Likewise, you can upgrade your limit up to unlimited messages. Now you might be wondering whether you can reply to certain customer messages, how to reply, and how to manage chats. No need to worry, as the Whatsflow team, we provide a live inbox. Here, you can reply to messages and chat with your customers. Your reply can be sent not only as a text, but also as an image or a file or a template. Up here, you can see the availability of the service window, whether it's open or not. Let's get into this later. You can add notes for each chat here, anything you need to follow up, and to get a rough idea about the customer. And from contacts, you can see customer contact details. Here in Whatsflow Live Inbox, we have this interesting feature which is you can assign an agent. Simply with an agent, You can share the same inbox with multiple users. Imagine your business has a support team to handle your customers, and the entire team should have access to inbox at the same time. For that, agent is the feature that you need. Let's see how to add an agent. In the agent section, you can create a new agent by providing a name, email, and the password. There are a lot of competitors in every industry, and if you fail to respond to your customers quickly, there is huge possibility of losing your customers. What if there is someone to respond to your customers without your involvement? And that's what the Flows feature is for, aka chatbot. Even though you don't have any technical knowledge, it is very simple to make a chatbot. You just have to drag and drop. Here's a sample of chatbot. You can add any keyword to trigger your bot. For example, let's suppose the keyword is price, and if the customer message contains or exactly matches with the keyword, chatbot will automatically connect with the connected reply message. You can send any type of message, including text, images, PDF, videos, pre-approved templates, and message with buttons. Also, you can personalize your messages with variables and logics. Within a few minutes, you can create your own chatbot. It will automate your process and reduce your workload. If you want to integrate WhatsApp API into your own LMS, CRM, or any other software, it can be easily done by our Whatsflow API. You can get your API token here, and we provide proper API documentations as your references. Let's see how Meta charges for your messages. In 2025, Meta has officially transitioned from per conversation pricing to a per message billing model for WhatsApp API. Message rates are depending on the customer region and template message category. There are four types of template messages: marketing, utility, authentication, and service. If you want to send offers, promotions of your product or service, those can be sent under marketing messages. With utility, you can send messages such as order confirmations, delivery updates, invoices, and so on. OTPs, verification codes, security codes are considered as authentication messages, and messages which are initiated by the user are called as service messages, which are totally free. So let me explain how the meta messaging pricing model works with a real-time example. Let's think at 9 a.m., you send a promotional offer to a customer. You'll be charged for one marketing message. At 11 a.m., you send a shipping update, which you'll be charged for utility message. At 7:45, customer asks a question. Now, the 24-hour customer service window opens up until next day 7:45 p.m. Next day 9:30 a.m., you reply to your customer, which is free because still customer service window is open, and all messages sent within service window are free except for marketing and authentication. At 12 p.m., you send an OTP message, which will be charged for authentication message, as even inside the service window, authentication templates are always charged. Thank you for watching this demo and join with us to grow your business, increase your leads and sales. If you have any doubts or need any assistance, we are always here to help you.